Hey guys, so a little story for you. Last week I went in town, fill up my baby with some go juice, and I put, like I always do, I put my gas cap right on the back. Well, turns out while I was pumping gas, there ended up being a little bit of a line. So being a decent human being that I am, I started hauling ass trying to get out of there so the next person can get in and fill up. Well, while I'm cruising down the street in my 6'4", I was thinking about jocking the bitches and maybe slapping some hoes. And I realized I forgot to put my gas cap back on. So my old gas cap is currently sitting somewhere on old 53, and I suddenly found myself in need of a new one. Well, I took this opportunity to make myself a custom gas cap. So what I did was I bought went to the part shop, bought myself a new gas cap, and decided to put a walnut cap on top of it. So this video just shows you guys the process of how I did it. Hope you enjoy. Alright, so I built this box. What I'm going to do is actually fill it with epoxy. I got some glaze coat epoxy. So I'm going to fill this with epoxy. Put this guy on top, roughly in the center, and let it set. So I don't have a clue if this is going to work. I know this melamine is, I've used it with concrete and it works with concrete. So I don't know if it's going to work with epoxy. We'll find out. It came out! It came out! Just like it was supposed to. I knew it was gonna happen all the time. Never doubt. No way. No sir. Know what I'm doing. we're back in business, back to being one of the boys in the hood. It was always hard. So hope you guys liked it. If you like it, comment, share, post, subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next one.